of happiness. And my dear friends, can you all put your hands together for this wonderful organization by the welfare citizens of Para under the leadership of our Minister Michael Lobo and the Sarpanch Delilah Lobo and their whole team.
And on this very special day of Gandhi Jayanti, let us send the message of peace and harmony and togetherness among the people of Goa, India and the world. Today the world is only looking at one thing, that is peace. And I feel that the peace in the world is the only thing which is required, because we see when we open the news, we see so many bombings. We have seen violence in Afghanistan, Syria and other places. And from this nation, we have to send this message of peace. That is why we said we'll organize this rally on this very special day of Gandhi Jayanti.
Entire Bardesh Taluka, just to inform Sir Michael Lobo and Madam Delilah Lobo, this is the first of its kind in Goa that such a large number, 763 cyclists gathered together and participated in this mega rally on this important day, on this 2nd October. The message for peace, but Sir has briefed in his speech, the message for peace and message for fitness has been given today in Para. So I request all the participants, kindly raise your right hand and just give a tap for yourself. This is a very good job you have done, along with all this very good job we have done.
Successfully, and looking effort at the yoga, it's not easy. Like we get up 5 in the morning and be here at 6 a.m. And he full PD teacher organize केली. That's all the time. Every Sunday long ride करतात. 300, 400 kilometer, 600, and the PD sir they are always there. त्यांच्या पाठोपाठ भरपूर सगळे available. Yeah, thank you so much.
Today here we are for peace. Peace in the world. We are promoting the message for peace in the world, and this rally is being organized by Together for Bardesh. All our volunteers are here. They are the main pillars behind this organization, and I think this rally will be successful. Coming out of Corona, people were all inside. They didn't know what to do. So we are sending a message that you also need to take care. You have to also wear a mask. You have to also follow all the COVID protocols. But at the same time, we are slowly coming out of Corona. This is the first big rally we have organized to send a message of peace. The message of peace goes from Goa to entire India and the world. The message is on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, on Gandhi Jayanti. He said you must be the change you want to see in the world. A lot of people complain on different things. Be the change you want to see. You be part of the change. So people have come to be part of the rally to bring the change what is required in Goa, India and the world, that is peace. Participants are registered and we welcome all these participants over here for this lovely, wonderful and peace, harmony in the state of Goa. This message will go across India and people of not only India, the whole world will get excited to see such a rally happening in Goa.
Gandhi Jayanti, on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, we have organized this cycling for fitness rally. It started from Para Tower, then to Saligaon Circle, then to Kalangut Dolphin Circle, then Nagwa, and back from this beautiful stretch of what we call Madani. This is a shooting stretch and back to Para Tower. The only message what we want to give through this rally is fitness. During these COVID times, the COVID has taught us health is wealth. So be fit. This was for the cycling rally, was for all the cycling enthusiasts of Bardez. And we also want to convey the message of spreading peace during this time of COVID. I thank Bab Anand Sawal and his team, and Bab Shuram Parsekar and his team for organizing this. We have given shirts, cap, and at the end of this rally, a medal and a certificate will be given to all the participants. I thank all the participants who have taken part in this rally. Thank all the media press for covering this event.